Assalamualaikum Maldives! Hello, it's Megan Pony. In today's video, we're heading to Mafushi Island by ferry from Male. Mafushi is famous for being a budget-friendly way to experience the beauty of the Maldives. Let's go! Rampa tayo! Ayan, good morning mga misis. Andito na ako sa Male, Maldives and nasa capsule room ako kasi nagstay muna ako sa Male, sa capital nila, bago ako pupunta sa Mafushi Island kasi late na kami dumating, na delayed yung flight ng isang oras. Yan. Ayan, good morning Maldives. Morning Maldives, Maui Maldives. So ayan, pupunta na ako sa ferry station kasi every Sunday, Tuesday, tsaka Thursday merong 10 AM na public transportation na ferry papuntang Mafushi Island. So Mafushi Island is talaga yun yung recommended ng mga travelers, lalo pag solo traveler ka. And mura lang dito so far. Mura yung mga pagkain, bilihin, and kasi nga nasa local island kami. So, ayun, kapag hindi namin maabutan yung 10 AM, meron pa namang 3 PM na public ferry, pero after nun, private na, which is mahal, parang 25 USD ata. So, compare kapag naka-public transport. Sige mga misis! Yan, nasa taxi na kami mga misis. Taxi is on the road only. Hello mga misses, the weather is beautiful and it's a lovely day because I am celebrating my birthday. My new German friend and I are on our way to the Male ferry port to catch the 10 AM public ferry to Mafushi. I was surprised because Male is a small island, even smaller than Boracay, and taxi fares within Male are fixed at 50 Maldivian rupiah or around 189 pesos and 80 cents. Super affordable. Ayan, dito na kami sa ferry papuntang Mafushi. Dito rin kami bumaba kagabi from the airport. So, public ferry to and lalarga na tayo. Good morning, Male Maldives! Papunta kami sa Mafushi Island and local island yon. So dito kami sa ferry, public ferry, and yung ticket is only 53 Maldivian rupiahs. Mura lang yon, parang 200 something, or yeah, parang 200 something yun. Ito na po yung mga presyo ng mga pa-suite dito sa tapat ng ferry. Mga mura lang mga misis, o yung mga price nila.
Also want something to drink?
Yes.
Coffee?
Ayan, punta na kami sa ferry pa Mafushi. So ayan, yung ticket ferry papuntang Mafushi, 53 Maldivian rupiahs. Mura lang yon. And ayan, public ferry to. So kung sasakay kayo ng mga pangyayamanin or yung fast boat, parang 25 USD yun per way. Yan, 10 AM departure. Yung 10 AM hindi siya everyday. So Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday lang. Tapos kapag Friday walang ferry. So depende talaga kung anong dating nyo. Is that even okay? Oh, Maldives. At this moment, I still can't believe that I was able to visit the Maldives. And if you are a solo traveler on a budget, the local islands in the Maldives are a great choice. There are plenty of options, but after doing some research, I found that Mafushi is the most popular destination. I decided to spend my birthday on this island, and I was excited to experience the floating bar and explore the local life. To get to Mafushi from Male, you can take the ferry from the Male Vilingili Ferry Terminal. Just a heads up on the schedules because public ferries run every day except Fridays. The ferry departs daily from Male at 3 p.m. and there are additional ferries on Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 10 a.m. And we are lucky because today we have the 10 a.m. ferry to Mafushi Island. A ticket costs only 53 Maldivian rupiah or around 201 pesos and 19 cents or $3.44 in USD. The travel time is around 1 hour and 30 minutes. I also enjoyed the scenic view on the way to Mafushi. After all, it's the Maldives. I was traveling with my new German friend and we celebrated my birthday together. By the way, this moment happened last October. And yes, it was my birthday. Touchdown Mafushi Island. Hello Mafushi Island. After 1 hour and 30 minutes. Wow! Bluer than blue. But it's dark. It's blue but you can't see. Ayan, dito na kami. Oh my God. Hi, dito na ako sa Mafushi Island, dito sa Maldives. And first time ko dito, I'm so excited. Birthday ko today and I will celebrate it. Pero may upload ko ito for sure after a few months pa. Sobrang busy natin. And ayun, ito yung ferry na sinakyan namin from Male sa main city. 1 hour and 30 minutes yung travel time and 53 Maldivian rupiahs lang yung pamasahe. Mura lang yun. Parang mga 200. Kumakagat, wala pa sigurong 200. Mga 100 something. O diba? Super blue. Ito yung sa babaan. Blue na blue yung water pero hindi mo siya kita sa loob. Feeling ko meron pang mas blue dyan. So walking distance lang yung accommodation ko and parang 8 minutes walk lang from here. Wow! I'm so excited mga misis and buti na lang merong 10 a.m. na ferry kasi piling araw lang yung may 10 a.m. meaning makakapag-aura-aura pa ako this afternoon sa beach kung saan pwedeng mag-swimsuit kasi may lugar lang na pwede kang mag-swimsuit dito. Tingnan nyo to. Ayan. Attention, no bikini wearing short swimwear is strictly prohibited in public areas. And yeah. Thank you for cooperations. Ito na yung pasign ng Mafushi. Ang Mafushi kasi is yung puntahan ng mga travelers. Talagang puntahan siya, mga solo travelers. Kasi kapag magre-resort ka, pang honeymoon yung mga resort kasi. At saka mahal. Ito local island siya, tapos inopen na siya sa mga turista. Kaya madami ng mga accommodation dito. Kaya tara, lakad-lakad na tayo mga missies. My God, ang ganda ng weather. Hello! Guten Tag! Ayan, may mga paparot mga missies. O diba, ang ganda. They're so big. I'll walk. Wow! Oh my God! Ang lalaki ng mga parrot, mga missies. Nakakatuwa. So ayan, on the way na ako sa accommodation ko, tapos may mga parrot dito. Oh. Nakakatuwa. Wala lang, saya-saya ko lang. Kasi napaka-surreal na dito ako sa Maldives. And kapag sinabi mo kasing Maldives, ba parang mahal. Pero maraming way para makapunta rito ng tipid. Actually, tipid lang tong travel kong to. Hindi naman talaga ako gumastos ng malala. Kaya I'm so happy and ang lagkit ko na. So, check-in muna ako tapos pa-fresh. Then, punta tayo sa beach kung saan pwedeng mag-bikini. Ang sarap ng araw. Napakaswerte ko kasi usually pa-end na yung rainy season pag October. So, buti hindi maulan-ulan. Ayan, malapit na sa aking accommodation. And ito na siya, ang Alaika Mafushi. Ang bait ng mga local ha. Talagang very welcoming sila. Oh, ito na yun. May accommodation. Alaika Mafushi. So ito po, meron silang mga trip naman inclusion. May mga offer sila sa accommodation. Yan, $30 to. Pwede ka magbayad ng card. Ito rin, pag gusto mo pumunta sa mga resort, mas mahal siya. Pero taga Pinas kasi tayo eh. So parang marami nang magaganda sa Pinas. Ayan, parang to. $125, 115. Yan, 120. Oh, package 1 half day tour. Ito atin, $30. 50 package 8 Cafe Explorer. Daming option ha. So ayun mga misis, andito na ako sa aking room dito sa Mafushi, Alaika Mafushi, and nagbayad ako ng tax nila. May mga tax silang extra. Though nagbayad na ako online. So may tax silang binayaran ko per night. Parang $3 per night. So parang 400 plus pag 2 nights. Okay na rin kasi mura pa rin to. Actually parang 5,000 ngayong binayaran ko sa credit card. So ayan, dalawa yung room ko. Dalawa yung gaan talaga. So pwede akong humiga kahit saan dyan. Ayan. So CR. Nakakatawa. So parang gusto ko nang mag-book ng tour for tomorrow para $30. Hindi na masama. So pwedeng magbayad ng card, kaya okay lang. Sige mga misis, magpe-prepare muna ako kasi lagkit-lagkit ko na. And ang checking time talaga is 2 PM. So pinayagan ako mag-check-in. So very late. So yan mga misis, unang atake ko pa lang ito dito sa Mafushi sa Maldives, and I've got more adventures in Mafushi to share with you all. Thank you so much for watching. Shukriya, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye for now.